Canvas allows multiple different options for choosing your front page, that first page that students see when they enter into your course, and one of them is the syllabus. And so in this getting started video, we're going to look at how do you actually edit the syllabus, what are its features, as well as I'm going to share what I consider some of the best practices. Hi, I'm Evan and welcome to the Canvas Tutorial Show. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that follow link on Facebook so that you can get every new episode. Here we go. So I'm already in a course, and I've clicked over here on the left sidebar on the word syllabus, and it brings me to this view, and I just want to walk you through what's here. Now, when you first see it, you're going to see just course syllabus up there. You'll see calendar on the right, as well as this is going to be a list of all the assignments. Okay, so when you think of like a college syllabus, it lists out all the assignments that you're going to do that term. That's the idea here, is that the syllabus view is going to give them all of their assignments. But what's powerful about the syllabus view is this middle section right here, because if I click edit, I can actually insert text there. So I'll just say text and update. And you notice that that is replaced there. The great thing about it is that it is a full rich content editor, which means that I can put in anything there. I can put in images, I can put in links, I can put in videos, embeds, whatever I want. And then right here, I can either choose to have a course summary or not. So this right here is the course summary. And so maybe I want to use the syllabus page, but I don't want the course summary. I just take that away. Now here I want to show you a best practice. Whether you use a page or a syllabus as your front page, I'm of the opinion that you should have a page with your front page content ready, and that content should be the exact same of what you should put here in your course syllabus. So, and this is particularly for your K-12 classes. So let me go ahead and give you an example. I'm just going to come to one of my pages, and here it is my front page, and I'm just going to go hit edit. And the cool thing about Canvas is that when you copy something out of the editor of one, it automatically copies the code. And so you can just go ahead and paste it into another one. So I don't need to go in the code or anything. I'm just going to hit Command A on my Mac, or Control C or Control A on your PC in Chromebook, and then Command C or Control C to copy. Okay, so I've just copied that text. You can also just right click and hit copy. And now I'm going to go back to that syllabus. I'm going to hit edit. And then just right here in this editor, I'm just going to throw in that same exact content that I have for my front page, my normal front page. And now you can see it shows it right here. Okay. Now again, if I wanted to, I could take away that course summary. I'm going to leave it there for now. And so I'm going to go to home, and I'm going to go ahead and choose my home page right here on the right. Choose homepage, and I'm going to set that now to syllabus, so that anytime a student comes, you see here it's showing that recent announcement. We'll go into the student view, and you see that it's got I don't have the syllabus in my navigation. I don't think it's necessary since I have it here as my home page, but you see here we got our calendar, we have our to-do list as well. Oh, moving the window. Sorry about that. As well as everything that I posted there. So today we just did a very quick video on how to edit the syllabus view. Remember, it has the rich content editor, so you can add anything you want to it. You can either choose to have the summary or not. As well, the announcements at the top, that's a setting that you set in your settings, and there's a whole video on that, and you can decide if you want that to be above. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that follow button and get every new episode as we upload it. As well, join the Canvas Tutorials community so that you can add your wisdom and then also get help when you need it. And finally, I don't share these videos outside of the Canvas Tutorial community, but you can, and you should. If it's good and you think that it's helpful for people, go ahead and hit that share button, share it in one of the Facebook groups you're a part of, or to specific people that you think it would be helpful for. Have a good day.